Hey guys, welcome back to another video, one that's obviously long needed. I have been gone for a while, but I thought I'd start out the year right with a Planner Kate haul. If you check back in my videos, you know I haven't bought from Planner Kate in quite some time, and that's because the last time that I did, well, it ended up lasting me almost 2 years. I'm just starting to run out. But I also wanted to try out one of her kits for my B6. This is a So Much Crafting B6 insert. It's the week on one page with grid. But I wanted to show you guys what I got to make my own little kit and see if it works. Because if it does, then, well, I got some more spending to do. So let me go ahead and get right into it. I'm just going to go into the freebies first, and then the add-ons that I got with the coffee kit. Oh, the weekly kit that I bought, got the add-ons from is coffee kit. It's kit 62. Okay, so here's the the freebies. A Planner Kate sticker, some glitter head like eighth labels, some weather trackers. I could actually use quite a bit of these except for the snow because I live in Arizona. There's no snow, not really at least. There are some arrow labels, these rainbow eighth labels, these little skinny appointments, and then some more little appointments and stuff. Workout, meeting, appointment, dinner, birthday, school. Alright, now into the fun part. So with the coffee kit, there's like a ton of stuff that you can get. There's the kit and then there's all these add-ons. So for the add-ons, I got these dinner ones. I got workout because I am going to start the Bikini Body Mommy Challenge 1.0 starting January 1st. I know I've said that in the past, but I bought stickers, so now I have to. And then I got the skinny appointment labels, the itty bitty stickers here, little icons, the itty bitty icons. There's a ton of them, which I've already planned out what I'm going to do with all of them, and I may actually need a second one. Just because I need certain ones in these. I don't know, I might get like the bigger ones. I don't know yet. Some half boxes. These eighth labels. And there's a ton there. Mixed headers, which I believe from what I had planned out, I'm going to end up using practically all of them just for 1 week. And then I got the square check boxes, the box check boxes. There's a ton of the 7, and then there's these half ones. I'm actually going to use some of these 7 boxes right here. I'm going like this and making it a my own habit tracker, and then use these for like those smaller checklist type things I'm going to do. And then I got these just to kind of, I'm not sure if I'm going to put them here or if I'm going to put them over here on the grid and then do like a to-do list and just do like my normal stickers over here. I thought I had it planned out, but now that I'm looking at them, I'm not too sure. I think I might just go ahead and use these over here, just kind of spice things up. I mean, I don't think I need that much room. I don't know that I really need all that much room. So it'll spice it up some, and then that way I have this full page to add whatever to it. So that is my Planner Kate haul, which if I buy more, I will let you know. I've already picked out what I want to do for February. The plan is to use, like, since I already got one set for a week, most of these I may end up actually lasting more than a week, so I was thinking about just using the coffee one or the coffee weekly kit for like the entire month of January. So we'll see how the first week goes, and then For February, I'm either going to use Purple Heart or Love. So we will see. I got to see and make sure that I really like it first. And then most likely on Friday I will be, you know, doing more, getting more. So I will see you guys soon. Thanks for listening to me chat. Thanks for watching my haul. And I'll see you guys in my next video, which hopefully will be very soon.